Hey everyone! Alright, so I'm here with a ColorStreet tutorial. You will need 2 sets for this and some flakes if you want to do it like me, and a matte top coat if you like matte, and I think that's it, and some scissors, and something round. Alright, so here's Midnight in Manhattan. This is a black solid. And coming up rose gold is glitter dipped. It's a lot of fun things you can do with this set. If you need any nails, you can visit my site, theonepolishmama.com, and grab a buy 3 get 1 free. It's so awesome. There's so many different sets in stock right now. It's awesome. Alright, so I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording, so that's always wonderful. I went ahead and did my pinky, middle, pointer, and thumb. This nail is going to be the same as this, so these ones you just apply like any old other time. If you need help applying, please reach out. I am happy to help. Alright, so you need to get your color that you're using. I'm using Midnight in Manhattan, and cut it. And then you want to peel. And I already used the prep pad. Like I said, I thought I was recording and apparently I wasn't. So that's always fun, right? Okay, and then you want to apply it to your nail. And I'm stretching over and then tucking down. Alright, and then I'm using the pinky one, or the smallest one that you can get on the set, because it comes with different ones to choose from. And then I'm just going across right there and taking it off with my cuticle pusher, the pieces that I don't want, to make it all lined up and nice. You just get that off of your skin and go around on this side. Okay. Alright, and then for the same thing up top, you just go around and press it and peel off, and then you have your nails all done. So for this next step, you are going to need a top coat, whether it be sticky or you're using your matte, it doesn't matter, and then some flakes. I got these, I think they're resin flakes, but you can get, there's ones for nails, but it's like all the same. I get them on Amazon. This one is the rose gold. So I'm just going to break this up with my cuticle stick because I want little pieces. Okay, and then I'm just using the matte top coat, or since I want to show it before the matte top coat, I will just use some regular top coat, and then I'm going to go across this middle line right here, and then getting some flakes. I think I'm going to use my wax pencil to get it. I haven't used this brand yet. Not sure how good it is. I have a couple different ones in my stash, but this one came with gold, rose gold, and silver, and I wanted the silver, so I grabbed it. So far it looks okay. I think it's just really stuck to this top part. Alright, and then you put on there as much as you like, and then repeat it on the other side. Like this, and then grab some and place it along that line. You can do as little or as much as you want. It looks very pretty already, and I'm so excited. Been wanting to do this for a while. I actually did it off camera a while ago, but then I was like, well, you know, I should record it and show people how to use some flakes, because it's really pretty when you add it to your nails, whether it be like down here on the corner or just mixing it up. It's really pretty. Just another little fun thing to add to your nails if you don't necessarily like nail art but you like changing them. This is a really good way. Alright, and if you want to see what it looks like on the thumb, I can do that as well. I don't mind. So you just get your top coat too, put some on there, have it right here on the corner, and then you just grab it and you put it on there. You can like tap it down like this. I've got some right there. So it's just fun, and it makes it, you know, pop out a little bit. I love this, especially with nail stamping. It's a lot of fun. Really pretty too. I would put a top coat over it, or clear as day, to make sure it doesn't chip off. Alright, so I'm going to put this away. And then, without putting the mat on, this is what it looks like. Very pretty, just something simple. Definitely a really pretty glittery look. And then in my head, I wanted it matte, so I did take a picture of that. That's why I was trying to hold still. And I don't want the gold flakes matte, but definitely all the black. So the thumb's a little bit harder, but that's okay. And then going here, and you can even add it to these nails too. Like you can always add it up here or down at the bottom like we did with the thumb. So this one's a lot easier because I'm just going underneath. And you can do any design you want, and it's really fun. And the matte really changes the looks of things. I love it. I know some don't, and that is obviously perfectly fine. So I'm going to let this dry and then show you what it looks like matte. Alright, so here is the final look. It's all matte and dried. For some reason this one kind of got like a little bubbly. Not sure why. But I'm just going to go over it with the matte again and fix it. So I hope you like and you get some ideas. Again, you probably want to put clear as day over and then do the matte top coat. I was just doing it to give you guys some ideas. I'm going to go and fix it and get my pictures and be done for the week. So, alright, have a great day. Any questions, please let me know. Bye.